Good, how are you doing?
It's gonna be that doorknob there.
So what's the story? Is it it's like a
we
separate...
literally just put in brand new knobs and all that stuff out there. We left the keys inside, and
Oh, no.
she accidentally just shut down.
So it's just this though, right?
yeah, it's just this. The top one we already have though.
All right, let me see if I can get into it.
Hey man, thanks.
It's not gonna take too long. Okay, I got it. Thank you guys.
Okay, you're welcome.
You guys have a good one, okay?
All right, thank you
Let me
very
know if you need anything else, okay?
All right.